Hello, back again. Just admiring some of the wildflowers that are out in the forest at the moment. It's a beautiful time of year. Start of spring, all the flowers being out. Enjoying a warmer day today. Sound of the birds. I don't have any music going today because I realised that it causes copyright issues, which is pretty funny. Anyway, here now. I really think it's important that we get out in nature whenever we can, connect with the earth, connect with Mother Gaia, and just be one in the silence of it. I'll show you a bit more of the forest. Some dark clouds about today. It's supposed to get some storms later on, which is pretty exciting. Yeah, look, if any of you have any questions or any topics that you'd like me to talk about, feel free to leave comments. I can't even say it. Anyway.